I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 100% free to subscribe. You are one click away from improving your health. If your health is important to you, click subscribe now. In this video, we will give you the top 5 home remedies to get rid of hiccups. 1. Cold water. 2. Drink upside down. 3. Hold your breath. 4. Eat sugar. 5. Eat peanut butter. Have you ever tried any of these remedies before? Share your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I have a small favor to ask you. Like this video with a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so we can keep the videos coming, and as a final request, please subscribe.